What's up guys, in this video we're gonna talk about can you change Instagram thumbnail after posting. As you can see, this post has been getting before 15 seconds at least, but now how can I get out and change this thumbnail? And if I go on the three dots, and also here it is also the can for edit, I will go for edit. And if I tap on cover, as you can see, this option is not available. Guys, that means that there is no option to change your Instagram thumbnail after posting. The thing that you can do to get up and change the Instagram thumbnail, you can just delete this post and then you can simply add the new post with the new thumbnail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys, and have a nice day.